Hi, boys and girls and parents. I'm going to make this video to help you better understand the test so that you can feel successful. Let's look at question number 1. A number has 5 tens and 7 ones. What is another way to show the number? So right here we have the 5 tens and the 7 ones. They already have, it's already there for you in standard form. And it also has the T, and this is T, and this is the O. T stands for tens, and O stands for ones. So now I'm going to look at the first choice. I'm going to draw a picture because drawing a picture will help me know if I have only 5 tens or 7 ones. So this is 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then this is 70. So I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now I'm gonna see if that's gonna equal to 57. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. This is 120. Now, I don't want 120, I want 57. So this is not a good choice. So I'm going to not choose that one. So remember, we need to find another way to show 57. So now I look at my next choice, which is 5 plus 7. I'm going to write 5 plus 7. That means I'm adding a one-digit number plus a one-digit number. When I add one-digit numbers, I always look at the greatest value digit. So we say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer will be 12. 12 is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 57. So that's still not a good choice. Then I look at my next choice. My next choice says 50 plus 7. So let me draw a picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then I have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I look at, I see I have 5 tens, which is right here, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. That looks the same, so this is a good choice. Oh, I'm going to pick this one by clicking on this one. Then I have 70 plus 5. So I'm going to check that one. I'm going to put 70 plus 5. Now, there's another way that I can do this one. I could put 70 in my head because I'm adding 5 ones, so I can just count on. So 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 75, it looks like this. 75. It's not 57, so it's not a good choice. So my best choice was C. Let's go to the next question. Andrea has a favorite number. Her number has the digit 3 in the ones place and the digit 9 in the tens place. What is Andrea's favorite number? So we want to know what's her favorite number. We know we have a digit in the ones place, and we know we have a digit in the tens place. So I'm going to put TO. The TO will help me organize my digits. Now it says I have a digit 3 in the ones place, so I'm going to put the digit 3 in the ones place, and the digit 9 in the tens place, so I'm going to put the digit 9 in the tens place. So now my number is 93. So Andrea's favorite number is 93. So you type it here with your keyboard and put 93. Next question, and that's 1 point. Okay. The next one is Santiago needs 43 straws for a project that he's working on. He can buy them in packs of 10. So I know we can make tens or in singles. What are all the different ways Santiago can buy the straw? So that's what they want me, all the ways. So that means that there's more than one way. Now it says select all. That's another clue that there's more than one answer that is correct. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to look at my first one. Now, remember, my number is 43. So I'm going to write 43. 43, I'm going to put TO. That's my number that I need to have. So that's right here. That's my number. And I want all the ways that he could do. So now the first one, it says 1 pack of 10 straws. I'm going to draw 1 and then 3 singles. 1, 2, 3. Now, does that make 43? 10, 11, 12, 13. No, that doesn't make 43. So this one is not a good choice. Now my next number is 4 packs of 10 straws and 3 singles. So I'm going to draw that. 4 packs of 10. Remember the line stands for tens. That's 4. And then 3 singles is like 3 ones. So now I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Oh, that matches this. So this one is a good choice. Now it says 43 singles. Guys, if you count by ones and you have 43, that's the number we want. So I don't even have to draw my picture. I know that this is a yes. 43 singles, it's 43. So now my next choice says 1 pack of 10. So I'm going to draw 1 pack of 10. Oh, let me get my pen. 1 pack of 10 and then 33 singles. Now 33 singles, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we do them in groups of 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And then we have 31, 32, and 33. Now, even though they're singles, I can group them in groups of 10 because I know there's 10 here. There's 10 here. Even though they're singles, I know there's 10, so I can put them in a little box for me to count them faster. So I have 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Even though they're singles, I know that I do have 43 when I have 1, 10, and 33 singles. So that's a good choice right here. So I picked this one. Then I look at my last choice. It says 2 packs of 10 and 3 singles. So I'm going to draw that to make sure that to make sure that if it's a good choice or if it's not a good choice. So let me erase my picture. And now it says 2 packs of 10. So I'm going to pack 2 packs of 10 and then 3 singles. 1, 2, 3. So I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. That's 23. That's not enough because I want 43. So this is not a good choice. So my answer was these 3. Now, it's going to be different on the test, so don't get fooled. You have to read all the questions carefully. Let's look at the next question. Okay, now Hope has an odd number of stickers and an even number of books. So I'm going to put odd and I'm going to put stickers. I can put just ST for stickers. I'll just put stick. I don't want to write the whole thing. And then an even number of books. So I'm going to put even, and I'm going to put books. I forgot the end. And books. Now this helps me focus to see which one I have. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the choices. I have 7 stickers, so I'm going to put 7 here, and 5 books, so I'm going to put 5 here. And I'm going to draw my picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I go pair, pair, pair. Oh, that's a knot. It is a knot. So this one is a check mark, but I need to check this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is pair, pair, but this one it's one left over, so it's an odd number. And guess what I need? I need an even. So my first choice is not a good choice. Now, see how I'm able to erase this? You can do this on your whiteboards because you don't have the option to write it on the computer. So you have to check it. Now I have 8 stickers and 4 books. So I'm going to put 8 stickers and 4 books. Now I'm going to draw my picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these two are pairs, 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 and pairs. Uh-oh, I have all pairs. That means it's even number, but I need an odd number. So guess what? Boom. If one of them is wrong, I don't have to continue. I can just say, nope, that's not a good choice. So now I look at my next choice. Now I have 5 stickers and 8 books. So I'm going to draw the number 5 here and 8 books here. Now remember, I need an odd on the stickers and an even on the books. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pair, pair. Uh-oh, there's an odd. I need an odd. Check mark. Good job. So now I go to the number 8. I need an even number. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, we're always doing our work. Pair, 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 pair. Always do your work. You do your work, you show your work, and you'll know for sure if you're correct. There's no leftover, so that's an even. So that's a check mark, and that means this is a good choice. So now I'm going to do the last one because I have to check every single one. Remember, is this choose all that could be correct. So I need to make sure that I have all the choices if I want to get 100%. So now my next one is 3 stickers. I'm going to put 3 here. And remember, I need it to be odd. And 4 books. And I need the 4 to be an even. So let me draw my picture. 1, 2, and 3. This is a pair, and this one does not have a pair, so it is odd. So that's a check mark. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. These two are pairs, and I don't have any left over, so that's an even. So that's a check mark, and that's a good choice. Now, your numbers on the real test are going to be different, but if you do your work, you're going to know that you are correct. So now it says, look at the tens frame. Does the tens frame show if it's even or odd? So all I have to do, look at my picture, pair. This doesn't have a pair, so it's an odd. Simple as that. And most of you did a very good job on this, but I want you to pay attention again. Pair, pair, pair. They all have a pair, so that's an even number. When there's no leftovers, it's called even. So now this is pair, 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 and there's one left over, so that's an odd because when there's a leftover, it's called an odd number. So that number is an odd, number 9. Let's go to the next one. Pair, pair. There's 4 boxes, and there's no leftover, so that's an even number. See how fast we're doing it? Now it says, choose the group of rubber duckies that has an even number. So we're looking for an even number. So I know you guys cannot draw on the thing, but you can see that you guys 2, that's a pair, and that does not have a pair. But I want an even number. So this one is not an even, so that's not a good choice. I'm not going to pick that one. So I go here, I go pair, 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 and pair. Now, if you can't see it with your eyes like this, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can still check, and then you go like this, and they all have a pair, and you're like, oh, that's an even, so that's my choice, letter B. So then I go to the next one. Now on this problem is saying, what's the value of the digit 4 in the number 46? Guys, I'll always do TO. Remember, TO is going to be your lifesaver. Later on, it's going to be HTO, but right now it's TO. And the number is 46. Now you already have a picture, but they're asking you for the digit 4. So I'm going to underline it. And it's in the tens place. That means I'm going to go here on the tens place. And I'm going to say 10, 20, 30, 40. Or I can count by tens by looking at that, say 10, 20, 30, 40. So the value is 40. So it's letter B. Then I go to my next question. We're almost done, guys. We're doing so good. Now, again, we still have the number 46. Now, in your test, it's going to be a different number, but you can do the same thing. TO is to understand place value. I want to know if you understand place value. What's the value of the digit 6? So I go to the 6, and it's under the ones. That means I'm going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the value of the 6 is 6. Simple as that. Let's look at the next question, number 12. Now, the question says, do the numbers show counting by fives? Now, I have to have an answer for each row. You have to say yes or no. I have to have one, or else your test is not going to go through. So I go, okay, we're counting by five. So I'm gonna have to count by five. So I go to my first number and I say 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's only 2. So I already know it's wrong because I need counting by fives. So I don't need to continue. I just say, no, that's not counting by fives. Then I look at the next one, 35 in my head, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Oh, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's enough for me. That's a yes. It's counting by five, so that's a good choice. Then I go to the next one, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's counting by tens. That's not it. I don't want by tens. I want by five. So I'm going to say no. I don't have to continue. I already know. Then 55, and then I need to go to 60. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That makes sense. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. That makes sense. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. And from 70, 75. That makes sense. That's a yes. That's a good one. But did you see how I have to have for each row, I have to have one answer, either yes or no. Now, for this one, it's again a yes or a no question. Now, the first choice, it says, which of the following describes 43? So the number is 43. And this is T, and this is O. Now, 43 is the same as 4 tens, which is 10, 20, 30, 40. So I can say 40. And then 3 ones plus 3. That's another way. That's 40 plus 3. Oh, 40 plus 3. That's a yes. Now, could it be 40 plus 30? Let me draw a picture. 40 plus 30. Now, if I have 40, I'm going to draw 4 tens. 10, 1, 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. And then 30 will be 10, 20, 30. So now I count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I don't want 70. I only want 43. So that's definitely a no. Then I have 4 tens and 3 ones. It's remember, number and word, number and word. So let's look. Let's look at my one on the top. 4 tens and 3 ones. Now I want to draw a picture just to make sure. I want to get 100%. 4 tens, it says 4 tens right here. and then 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. That's my number. That's the winner. So I'm going to say yes. That shows 43. Now my last choice says 3 10s and 4 1s. So I'm going to look at that. 3 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, and then 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let me see if that makes 43. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That makes 34. That's not 43, so this is going to be a no. But remember, I have to put no, because that's a question. And then after this, you can submit your test and you are done. Now, this is a practice. It's going to be very similar, but different numbers, different, but the same format. So if you show your work on your whiteboard, you will do a great job. I believe in you. I can trust you. Just do your work. Thank you for watching.